Now we'll do a demonstration showing the power of U4EA's GoS quality of service and how only GoS can enable true unified communications for SMBs. There are other kinds of QoS that are currently employed in competing devices which are unidimensional, and that means that they're only good at prioritizing one kind of application, but they really fail when it comes to multiple apps like voice, video, presence, IM, web collaboration, and other real-time and near real-time applications. So over here we have an SMB office simulated using the U4EA Fusion 200 device along with a Polycom phone and a laptop running unified communications applications. And right next to it we have another SMB office simulated using a competing device, and it has the same configuration. It has the same Polycom phone and a laptop doing unified communications. And over there we have a main office simulated using a Fusion 500 and a few more Polycom phones, and once again a laptop running these unified communication apps. And if you look at the screen over here, it shows the video quality from the two SMB offices going into the enterprise main office. And right now there is no congestion. So when Hariom waves his hand in front of the camera, you will notice that the video quality is pretty good. Both the screens are in sync, and it means that the video quality is pretty acceptable. Now these are normal conditions, but now what we'll do is we'll enable real life conditions, which means there is some congestion, people are doing some email, some streaming video, maybe some file sharing, and all of these could disrupt voice over IP if it were not for U4EA's QoS, and that's what we'll see just now. So Hariom and I have just enabled the congestion from both the offices, and both the offices are simulating real life like links, which is either DSL or cable modem WANs. And if you look at the TV screen here, and when Hariom waves his hand in front of the camera, we notice that there has been a strong drop in quality in the video on the office to the left, which is not protected by U4EA's QoS because that's on the competing device. On the other hand, on the right side, we have the video running through U4EA's GoS, and what we've done is we prioritize GoS and voice over IP and the unified communications applications in separate classes, and so they are protected from the congestion, and also video cannot affect the voice and UC cannot affect video and voice. And by having this multi-tier QoS where we have predictable control over loss and delay characteristics, we're able to provide guaranteed services that SMBs really need to deploy full-blown unified communications.